How to fix a paper jam in the HP LaserJet Pro 3001 through 3008 and 3001e through 3008e printer series. If you receive a paper jam error message on the printer control panel or on the HP Smart app, then you might be experiencing a paper jam. First, press and hold the power button to turn off the printer. Then, disconnect the power cord and USB cord if there is one connected. Remove any pages from the input tray and the output tray. Note: after each step outlined in this video, if you locate and remove a jammed piece of paper, reconnect the power supply and try to print a page. If you are still receiving the same error message, disconnect the power supply and proceed with the next step. Step 1. Clear jams from the input tray. Grasp both sides of the input tray and slide it straight out to extend the tray. To fully remove, slightly lift the tray and continue sliding to release it. Check the input tray area underneath the printer. Remove any jammed paper. To reinsert the input tray, slightly tilt the front of the tray down and insert the tray into the input tray area. Slide the input tray back until it snaps into place. Step 2. Clear jams from the cartridge access area. Lift the cartridge access door until it locks into the upright position. Before removing the cartridge, remove any jammed paper in the output tray area. If you see jammed paper, carefully grasp it with both hands if possible and slowly pull it out of the output tray area. Pull the release lever in the cartridge access area to drop the paper feeder down. Remove any jammed paper from the feeder. Then, push the lock lever up and in to resecure it. Grasp the handle on the toner cartridge, then pull up and out to remove it from the printer. Remove any jammed paper from this area. While grasping the handle of the toner cartridge, insert the cartridge into the printer and slide it all the way back. Push down on the toner cartridge to secure it into place. Then, close the cartridge access door. Step 3. Clear jams from the rear of the printer. Pull the rear access door towards you to release and lower it. If you see any jammed paper, carefully grasp it with two hands if possible and slowly pull it out of the printer. Lift the rear access door and press it to the printer until it snaps into place. Step 4. Reset the printer. With the printer plugged in and turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Step 5. Service the printer. If you are still experiencing the same error on your printer, you might need to have it serviced. Contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact-hp to schedule a product repair or replacement. You can also check your product warranty information at support.hp.com/check warranty. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.